COVID times are times of difficulties for us as individuals, businesses, communities, and as a nation. These are the times when we are learning a lot and we are seeing that there'll be reset for a lot of things. In marketing, there'll be a complete reset in consumers' attitudes, behaviors, and consumption. Consumers will become more value-oriented, risk-averse, more digital, and health and hygiene conscious. There are a lot of difficulties and problems in COVID times, but there are a lot of learnings as well, and there are a lot of opportunities. So from a marketing and business perspective, there are a few things we can focus upon, we can think more about to emerge stronger and better. And these three things are focus, flexibility, agility, and relationships. Let me first talk about focus. The first thing required to emerge stronger and better in COVID times is focus, because markets will open up gradually, city by city, state by state, gradually. And what is required is a graded marketing approach, which is regional and local in nature. Gone are the days of all India marketing plans which are inflexible. We have to focus on those products and segments where demand will be quicker to pick up. And we have to focus on those geographies, cities and clusters which are orange and green and where logistics and supply chain is not a problem. Therefore, we have to focus on specific product market segments where we can actually cater to demand better. So we need plans which are focused in nature and easier to implement. So we have to make focus our friend in these COVID times. The second aspect we need to be very mindful of is to develop flexibility and agility in our organization. And I'm taking flexibility and agility together because without agility, flexibility is of no use. In these times of flux, we need to have marketing plans which are flexible in nature, which can change as situation changes, and this can change anytime. We need to have modular, flexible marketing plans which are easier to implement by my frontline force. We need faster decision making and a more empowerment at the front line to implement these plans. And third, most important, are the relationships which you carry. What will not matter in these COVID times is size of the brand, size of the company, or the cash flows or the cash one is sitting upon. In India, what really matters and will always matter will be relationships. The relationship which a brand and an organization has with its consumers, customers, dealers, distributors, and at the same time also with vendors and agencies and other partners. It is essential that in these hard times, we maintain these relationships and nurture them further. We support our vendors, our agencies and customers and take a long-term view to see that they are fine and they are with the organization and the brand for the long run. We have to communicate a lot and be very, very empathetic in our approach. So in summary, in these COVID times, we need focus, flexibility, agility, and good relationships.